Hi everyone, my name is Dola Abiodun. I'm an advanced practice nurse practitioner, family nurse practitioner, and I'll be presenting my professional growth plan as a DMP student. And my current strength as a leader and innovator, I really focus on quality. I'm very accountable, responsible person. I'm a collaborator and I set goals. I'm goal oriented. I'm a change agent and I do possess good communication skills. My personal vision is to inspire others to believe and attain the best in life, even in their health. And I also believe in giving affordable and quality health care. My personal mission is to be compassionate, to motivate people, and to embrace new ideas. My personal philosophy is empowerment and motivation are the keys. Personal philosophy foundation is based on transformational leadership. I believe in communicating one's vision to foster and to promote and foster change. I believe in building trust. I also strongly believe in inspiring followers to strive for excellence. My plan to keep current in practice. I do plan to join my local chapter of Honor Society and be active to incorporate more evidence-based care into practice and to have a mentor. I really believe in having a mentor. I believe in going for more educational and professional conferences, reading and reviewing literature pertinent to my role, and to be involved in district and state legislative bills pertaining to APRN. My plan to advance forward is to continue to read extensive literature and research review, to be involved in societies such as the American Psychiatric Nurse Practitioner, Nurse Association, to listen to positive minds, to set reasonable goals, and to network with other colleagues and health professionals. I do plan to attend the 2020 AANP National Conference coming up in around June 23rd to June 28th at New Orleans. I plan to go to a workshop to learn new skills yearly. I do like the advanced practice prep. They teach you a lot of procedures, and the ones I'm looking forward to are particularly the trigger point injections and the cryotherapy. My research policy change is to commit to a lifelong learning, to support evidence based practice, to read more extensively, to be more open minded, and to ask questions. My areas of opportunity to develop leadership skills is to, I believe in, my opportunity to develop my leadership skill is to be an effective leader, to be a mentor, to increase my competency and my knowledge. Healthcare advocate, to be an healthcare advocate for patients and nurses and nursing in general, to dissipate research into practice and increase in delivering evidence-based care, to increase in my clinical judgment, and of course, like I said again, to be a mentor to other nurses. My areas of opportunity to develop innovation qualities is to embrace change and technology, to be more creative thinking, and increase collaboration and teamwork. I want to be my opportunity of personal interest. I do have personal interest to travel, to vacation. I love watching movies and also cycling. My needed resources to be able to accomplish our personal goals is to be financially stable, to have adequate time off work, and to be flexible, to have flexible work hours. Essentials for my balance, to have a balanced fulfillment in life, is I really, really want to be grateful and appreciative of every simple things in life, such as just waking up every day. Also want to have more paid vacation time of at least 3 weeks a year. Watch at least one movie every night, and to cycle at least once a week. That would be really, really. I'll be really, really grateful for that. My plan to integrate personal and professional interests is to take time more to attend conferences and workshops. I really feel like that's really impactful to take time off for vacation and family, and when it's convenient to take off time. Finding what can be sacrificed to maintain work and life balance, to find time and opportunity to enjoy life. My current resources are my colleagues and mentors that advises and share experiences together. Being a member of AANP, currently I'm enrolled with a lot of medical apps such as UpToDate, Epocrate, my FMP notebook. I can't do without those, and they're really helpful. And this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening.